Hi, Jose. I hope you're doing well. This is Anna again from Geomarketing Consultant from Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm doing this customized video about how you can beat out your competition online. And since I don't want to waste any more of your time, if by the end of the video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how I can help you bring on new customers, give me a call. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them and see how they work out for you. So let's get started. The three different topics I'm going to cover today are content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name so that it is also considered to be content that is readable by the search engines. For example, let's see what your picture here is saved as. Residential remodeling in West Columbia, South Carolina. Prime Renovations and your telephone number. There, you could put roofer, Columbia, South Carolina, something that people in Google search for. Okay? Content in our front page should be typically around 1,500 to 2,000 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it's what your front page should have in terms of word count to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. If we look at your page word count, we can see that your front page has, I've put it here in this in this web counter, your home page has 312 words, which proves what we usually come across, and that content is something that web designers overlook. So the first tip that I want to give you is that you need to make sure that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that is unique on your front page so that the search engines can help rank your company as high as possible. The second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And if I do a search here in Google, and I've put in kitchen remodeler, Columbia, South Carolina, because I know you mentioned on your website that you remodel kitchens, and that's a high ticket item that I'm sure that you want to go after, kitchen remodeling. So I put kitchen remodeler, Columbia, South Carolina, and under the search query in the map section, you see the three listings here. It says Kitchen Tune-Up Columbia, Champ Builders, and Palmetto Renovations of Columbia. That's called the Google Map Pack. You're going to get about 20% of your total calls by being in this spot, and you do that by using citations, which are essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed in the different directories all throughout the internet. We have a special tool here at the agency that tells us how many citations you have compared to your biggest competitors, which are these companies here. So what would be tip number 2? In order for you to beat out your competition and be on the map pack, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is in, get in those same directories, and then add a little bit more, because that is kind of what matters the most as how to rank your company here in the maps. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. Backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the map section in Google, which is here. So everything that shows up in this organic section is not paid ads. What is a backlink? It's just a website that is sending a link back to your page. By using a tool here that is called Ahrefs in our agency, we're going to see the different websites that are currently linking to you. So I put in your website here, you have no backlinks. And in order for you to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as your competition is in, and they get into some places that they're not, so that you're completely overtaking them. Ahrefs shows that your backlinks give you, well, you don't have backlinks, but you have 2 organic keywords you're ranking for, but they're not bringing you any traffic to your website monthly. If we take a look back at your biggest competitor here, under house.com, that's easy for us to outrank because it's just a directory. In the organic section of Google, it's Palmetto Renovations. I put Palmetto Renovations in that same tool. They've got 1,000 backlinks, giving them 475 keywords, leading them to 172 visitors every month to their website. So that's a lot of business you're missing out on. If we click on their keywords here, we can start picking those that are relevant to you and which you would like to go after, because as I said earlier, in order to beat out your competition online, you just got to rank for more keywords and in higher places like them. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, Jose, if you'd like to know more about how I can help you grow your business and bring you some new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.